Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday Fashion. I don't believe fashion is for a limited group of people, it is for all. So, everyone must be able to get the look that gives them most confidence. The first step is to understand the type of body you are gifted with. Based on the measurements of your shoulder, waist, and hips, it could be a pear, hourglass, rectangle, apple, triangle, oval, etc. Today we will see what an apple body shape is. They have broad shoulders and fuller chest. Their hips are small and legs are thinner comparatively, so they appear heavier above the hips. The belly region will be rounded and there will be no defined waist curve. On the other hand, there are some really athletic people like gymnasts and runners whose body types are more like an inverted triangle. They don't have rounded bellies. They are usually well built or slender. I am going to tell you a few things that works best for both these body types. First of all, the V-necks, scoop necks, plunge necks, etc. are your best friends. The tops, shirts and t-shirts look better if they are slightly below the hip because we do not want the hips to look small. Also, for apple, the stomach region could be a concern, so the length of the top helps. The things to avoid are specific to apple body type. Halter necks and other closed necks won't be a great choice for you. Also, it's better to avoid body snugging tops and t-shirts, especially in thin materials. The best way to create shape for apple is ruching, but it must be under the bust, not the waist. Ruching is the gathering of excess cloth using stitch, elastic, etc. Same way, A-line shaped clothes work best in creating a shape while concealing the middle region. Not to mention, the more the flare, the better it appears. Also, the length of the dress or skirt is your choice, but aim for higher waistline in skirts. As apple does not want to focus on the stomach, avoid extra attention like belts and other defined waists in the dress. Since the apple body types have already slender legs and hips, we do not want to make it even thinner with skinny jeans and heavy boots. It would only make the top half more heavy. Color blocking is a smart way of using blocks of colors to create the illusion of a desired shape like the one in the picture. All body types can use it to their advantage. Designs or patterns centering around the stomach is going to create a more rounded look, so better avoid them. Layering is something that works on all body types. Choose a blazer or a coat with a shape at the sides, not something boxy. Choose a length that falls below the hip. Off shoulders and boat necks make the already wide shoulders of the apple body type appear even wider, so better avoid them. As with the jeans and pants, better than a tight fit would be a relaxed fit, boot cut or wide leg, balancing the weight of the top half and bottom half of the body. Finally, low-waist shorts, skirts or jeans hanging right at the hips will make the hips smaller and the belly bigger for apple body type. So, better keep the waist high starting from mid-rise. You can have a look at my previous video on jeans for selecting the best jeans for you. My next video will cover the tips for another body type. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.